Now, do you feel stressed all the time? Do you have that feeling of anxiety running in your body and your mind without there's nothing to be afraid or going wrong in your life? If that is somebody you who is experiencing this, then this video is just for you and it will help you to understand the reason, how you can solve it, and the long term solution. So stay tuned in this video and I'll get into the details one by one. Now let's start with what is that what you are experiencing. Most people feel or think that the stress slash anxiety is in their mind. But the stress or anxiety is not just in the mind, it is in the body itself. Okay? Here is a hypothetical situation. You are going by bus or a rickshaw and suddenly your bus or rickshaw gets into an accident. Suddenly your alertness, your heart rate, your breathing pattern extremely changes. Why? Your mind and your body is trying to be in the state of fight or flight, meaning you want to come out of this situation as early as possible, and your mind tells your body, go run away or you're gonna be killed. Okay, this is called as fight or flight response. Okay, once everything is sorted back, you go back in the regular relaxed state of mind, which we in technical medical terminology called as parasympathetic state. The problem with today's life is because of constant exposure to the stressful situations again and again and again, your threshold or your window of coming from the stressed state to the relaxed state has become very, very small. So a small instance of just an email from the boss suddenly gets you in that stressed or sympathetic state, and it takes time for you to come back to this relaxed or parasympathetic state. Okay, the more you are exposed to the sympathetic, it becomes difficult for you to come back to the parasympathetic or relaxed state, and hence most of you cannot get back to the relaxed or parasympathetic state even if there is nothing wrong or there is nothing to be worried about. Now let's come to the point where how do we get our body and mind to learn that there is nothing wrong and you can relax. This can be achieved by listening to certain frequencies, by changing your breathing pattern, by listening to some external percussion beats or external tempo beats that you can either have through a song or through any external musical instrument. In music therapy, I personally advocate and emphasize the use of Indian classical music to teach your body to go back to the parasympathetic state. What happens is when you are constantly exposing yourself to a particular frequency, your body first tries to get into that relaxed state and your mind then follows to the signals of the body. The more times you train your body to do this, the faster your body learns to come from the sympathetic to parasympathetic. If right now you want to experience what it is to go back in the parasympathetic state, stay tuned and I'm going to sing a particular frequency melody of rag which will basically help you go back to the parasympathetic state. Your job is to just dedicate the next 12 minutes to me. Make sure that there is no disturbance for the next 10-12 minutes. Get a headphone if possible. Sit down on the floor or a chair. Keep the lights as dim as possible, and I want the next 12 minutes a focused attention on this listening experience. After the 12 minutes, if you don't feel relaxed, you are welcome to put up whatever comments, bad or whatever you want to put in the comment section. But I promise you and I assure you, with my so many years of experience, you will get into a very super state relaxed mode. But I want you to trust the process, I want you to be fully involved in the process, and I want you to heal from within. This next 12 minutes is a science and is a technique to teach your body to go back to the relaxed state. The more frequently you do this, I advocate 21 days exposure minimum. Why? Because 21 days is a habit forming time done by clinical trials. If you can do this for 21 straight days, I assure you, your body will be in the more relaxed state, even though there will be stressful situation, but again you will come back to the relaxed state. Okay, so let's experience this magic of music therapy. And if you feel even 1% better, please leave a comment down there, because that keeps me going. This is all I'm doing it for you guys. So please keep on commenting, that helps me and that lets me know that you guys are reaping the benefit of this. Let's get started, and I wish you a super healing. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. And one last time, breathe in and breathe out. Let's get started. Keep your eyes closed.
ma Dara Derna साधान साधान मबधाय पदन मबधा पदन Sarga sarga maga maga re sa re sa da re sa ne sa da ne sa da ne pa जनक जनक मोर बिछुआ जनक जनक मोर बिछुआ घर आए लो मितवा कैसे घर जाऊँ तोरे लंगरवा जनक जनकवा मोर बिछुआ जनक जनकवा मोर बिछुआ झूम छनन झूम बिछुआ बाजे झूम छनन झूम छनन झूम बिछुआ बाजे जाग रही मोरी घर की लौगवा जनक जनकवा मोर बिछुआ जनक जनकवा जनक जनकवा जनक जनकवा मोर बिछुआ
Take one breath in, a breath out, another breath in and out. Slowly open your eyes. I hope you are feeling calmer and your body is in an absolute relaxed state. If you have any particular issue that's bothering you or affecting you, I welcome you all to join our community where I teach you super small techniques that you can apply in your daily life and get your life back on track. Thank you so much. I wait for your comments in the YouTube comment section.